Getting your home ready for a property photo shoot is a lot like getting ready for a surprise visit from your in-laws. You suddenly notice things you've ignored for years. You start cleaning like somebody's judging you. And in this case, somebody actually is judging you. Thousands of buyers scrolling online at lightning speed. The camera sees everything, and the internet has zero mercy. So today, I'm going to show you how to prepare your home so it looks absolutely incredible on camera, stands out online, and gets buyers stopping, staring, and thinking, hold up, this one looks good. Before we jump in, I'm Nathan King, your Fresno County real estate guy, who somehow loves this process way more than any normal person should. I make real estate simple, fun, and way less stressful than it could be. If you want honest, practical California housing tips that actually help you win in this market, make sure you're subscribed. I promise, it'll save you a ton of time, money, and sanity. Now let's get into it. Nothing kills curb appeal like a neighborhood lined with huge blue bins. I'm telling you, I've seen gorgeous homes look like post-apocalyptic movies because someone forgot it was trash day. Buyers do not care how nice your kitchen is if the first photo shows a street full of trash cans. Before the photographer arrives, make sure every single light bulb in your entire house works. Missing bulbs make your home look haunted. Flickering bulbs make it look possessed. Photographers hate broken bulbs or light bulbs not working more than anything because the lighting becomes uneven and hard to fix. And everything needs to be on. Lamps, overhead lights, and that weird light above the stove you forgot existed. All of it. Now let's talk window treatments. Open them. All of them. Raise the blinds, pull back the curtains, let that beautiful California light in. Also, make sure your windows are clean and spot-free and ready to shine. Cars must disappear. Not parked in the driveway or directly in front of the house. I mean gone. Off the driveway, away from the curb, ideally parked down the street like they're in a witness protection program. A clean front shot with no cars makes your home look bigger, classier, and worth more money. Gather all the remotes for fans, fireplaces, and TVs before your photographer arrives. When they're hunting for remotes, nobody's happy. Photographers need fans off for photos and gently spinning for videos. And without the remote, it turns into a treasure hunt that nobody asked for. Outside, take down the flags, banners, political signs, and your security stakes. I promise your home photographs way better without your favorite team, candidate, or home alarm company screaming for attention. Flags especially love to flop in the wrong direction, and it drives editors insane. Freshen up the front yard. Trust me when I say brown mulch photographs beautifully, and red mulch photographs like a crime scene. Remove dead plants, sweep the walkways, trim everything that needs trimming. Buyers judge the front yard like it's a first date. Inside the home, imagine the camera is allergic to real life. Shoes by the door, gone. Coffee makers, knife set, air fryers, Instapots, paper towel holders, all gone. Kitchens look best when the counters are completely naked. I know you love your air fryer, but for the photo shoot, it goes into the witness protection program with the cars. Family photos, names on kids' walls, personal details, those all go too. Not only for privacy, but because buyers need to imagine their life, not yours. Bathrooms should look like no one has ever showered in them. And bedrooms need smooth bedding, matched pillows, no chargers, no clutter. If you haven't used it in the last 48 hours, hide it. Common areas should feel calm and open. Hide cords, fold blankets neatly or remove them, and put away anything bright or distracting. Dog toys, kid toys, and random piles shrink the room on camera. And speaking of dogs, please pick up the yard before the shoot. You'd be shocked how many photos I've had to rescue because no one noticed what the dog left behind. In the backyard, umbrellas should be open. Closed umbrellas look sad and abandoned. The barbecue should be cleaned and uncovered because nothing sells California like the idea of someone grilling in your backyard on a warm evening. Hoses should be wound up or put away, pool equipment hidden, and any seasonal decorations removed. Holiday decor dates your listing instantly and makes buyers think your home has been sitting forever. When the shoot starts, you and your pets need to leave. It isn't personal. Everything just goes smoother, faster, and cleaner when the house is empty. Pets especially act weird around photographers, and it always slows them down. Here's the truth. Almost every buyer sees your home online before they ever schedule a showing. Your photos are your first showing. Your photos are your salesperson. And your photos are the difference between a buyer saying, "Let's go see it," or scrolling right past your home like it doesn't even exist. If you prep correctly, you're not just making your home look better, you're creating desire, urgency, and value. If you're selling in Fresno County or anywhere in California and you want your home to look its absolute best from day one, reach out to me. I'll help you prep it, present it, market it, and get you top dollar without you losing your mind in the process. Hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notification so you never miss the videos that help you win in today's California real estate market. I'm Nathan King. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.